In this video, I am going to share with you how to test Facebook ad creatives in 2024. After implementing these strategies, you will have proven ads so that you can scale your business and get maximum amount of results out of Facebook. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 40 plus million in revenue for my clients. So for those who want me to run ads for your business, you can reach out to me using link in description. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Before running any kind of Facebook ad creative test on Facebook, you need to keep in mind what is your goal, what you are trying to find out. Whether you want to see image is working, video is working, or carousel is working. You need to be really clear in head. You cannot test all those three things in single ad set, right? It will be a mess. You will never know what is working, what is not working. So to get the clear picture and make a decision based on the data, you need to be very clear. You cannot test three different products in single ad set. So you need to structure your creative test in such a way that you get the clear picture out of it. If you just test three videos of three different products, it will never work. Facebook will prioritize one or two ads in the ad set and spend most of your money on it thinking this is the winner. If you see that data, it will be clear indication for you that only one or two product is working, third product is not working. But you know that you have worked hard on your third product also and you think people will like it, but according to Facebook it is not worth it. So it is not the fault of Facebook algorithm, it is the fault of how you are running a test. I've seen in multiple ad accounts, people are doing same and same thing mistake and still thinking that this product is not worth it and we should not focus on this product and these product. So the thing you are doing is testing your products in such a wrong way that even Facebook cannot help you. So let's jump into my screen and I will show you how to structure your ads so that you can get maximum out of your Facebook ad testing. Now you are in my ads manager. I wanted to launch these testings in separate campaign so that you have a clear picture which is working, which is not working. You should not do a Facebook ad testing in your proven audiences because it will disrupt your ongoing ads and this will affect your revenue. So generally people try to put these new tests in your old ad set and see whether it will work or not, but you don't have any clear data that this will work or not. But this can disrupt your current ads because Facebook might think that this will work and spend some little amount of money and your ongoing ads disrupt. So never put these ads in a ongoing ads or proven ad sets. So let's jump into the create a separate campaign, sales campaign trust, sales campaign testing. Here you need to create separate ad sets in which you will launch three videos or three images or three carousels, and these three videos needs to be of similar product. Generally people tend to test three different videos of different products. It will not work. As I mentioned before, Facebook will prioritize only one video. To avoid that, create a new ad set, and these all the things, all the tests that we are doing is on broad audience. We all know broad audience works best in this time now. Whenever you launching a test, you can you I will show you in later in this video what you can test and how you can get benefit out of it and what kind of ad creatives that are working now. I will show you all of them, but to be clear, you need to know what kind of test you are using. You can mention it: test product 1, create a duplicate, product 2. These are the ad set that you are launching in the ABO. You should not focus on CBO in the testing phase because even Facebook doesn't know and you don't even know which ad set is going to perform, which ad is going to perform. To take a best control out of your ad campaigns, you should always opt for ABO in testing phase. You can launch them in between $100 to $200 per day, like per ad set. You will have quicker decision. You can, if something is working, that can take you out of learning phase very soon. So let's suppose test one, product 2. These are your three video ads. So what kind of ads you will place? It should be similar, right? Messaging should be different, uh, ad copies can be different, whatever you're testing. I'm just showing you how to test it, right? You can create 3 or 4 ads. Similarly, go to test one, product 2. So here you are also testing the product number that I mentioned, like it can be a shoe, it can be anything that you were testing, but it should be similar, right? Again, 3 ad sets, us versus them. So in us versus them, this is a new ad creative type that is working, that you create 3 ads similar to that, and in the format of us versus them, like showcasing your brand and showcasing their brand and pointing out the features and benefits. That can be done, right? You can test your testimonials, that what kind of testimonial is working, whether it's a long messaging or short messaging. You can test out whatever you want to test out. You need to create a hypothesis where you play your different uh, variations, like us versus them, features, before and after, and put those things into test what is working. So this is how you're going to test and put it in the ABO. One ad set, 3 ads of similar, of same product with different variation, unboxing, keep it somewhere else. Like you can test out, there are hundreds of variations that you can test out, but you need to test out to find the winner for your business, right? Let me show you some kind of ads that are working in the industry right now. So you can go to Foreplay and sign up over there. It's a free for 7 days, and see what kind of ads people are running. And it is a Facebook ad library, inactive ads also. So you can here create a list what kind of ads you want to test out. First is UGC. See,
I just found the next viral cup. I got the last cup everyone was raving about.
it's a UGC ad, right? They're just showcasing you template.
Are you still looking for classic jewelry that will accompany you throughout your life? Then the jewelry of Mari Studios is what you need.
See, simple ads. These
Hey
are
guys, it's
example
Hudson, and
videos.
today I'm showing you my favorite thing to do in the entire world, and that is to go on walks. I struggle a lot to get into my harness because I am a naughty boy, so my mom had to buy me a dog-friendly co-harness. And she even personalized it so people could stop.
So it's a really clearly a UGC ad where they're showcasing a sticker for your dog harness.
Here's a UGC video example I did for a brand. This was a TikTok ad. It resulted in a top 30% conversions in a similar niche.
I gave my Apple Watch another chance because of these bands. I got my Apple Watch.
See, these are really cool ads that you can test out.
Acne. This sunscreen is must-have for you. You can see how lightweight it is. No stickiness, no greasy feeling.
See, you just type in whatever variation that you want to test out. This is UGC ad. Second one is testimonial ad. Right here they're testing text copied from the website and posted in the ad. Right. This is another variation, another example. Testimonial ad. If you are into fitness, you can just use this type of
About being
thing.
the skinniest person in the room. It's about being the healthiest version of yourself. My favourite thing about Juniper is definitely getting my
Make going back to your previous size a reality with Provitalize. It contains you.
This is not a testimonial ad, so skip that part. So if you are in a fashion industry, you can just type in your fashion word and see what kind of ads are working and create similar type of ad.
I saw Pensy shapewear on my For You page. I hit add to cart.
This shapewear is
Now if you think you can create something similar to this, now test different variation of this, whether showcasing product first, whether you are coming first, whether you are walking and showcasing product. So these are the variation that you can test out. All right. There is another type of video that is working right now. It's a founder ads where founder speaks about the business. For example, like there is another
How we
founder
grew
video.
our sleep company from 0 to 50 million in 48 months. We saw there was 300,000 people searching for a sleep solution online. So all we had to do was create that. We then created the Hush blanket, which is a weighted blanket that fits your entire bed, and then marketed as that solution to that highly searched problem. A year later, we launched.
This is another great ad by the founders.
I'm Nicole. I'm the founder of Splendid Spoon. I started this business when I was pregnant with my first son, Grover.
So these type of videos are working. You can test out and go to foreplay and see all these types of videos. Right, here is another version before and after of the products that people
There will be.
before kids.
This is usually what it looks like when I'm doing my taxes. It can be really tedious and difficult when running a business. But this year, I'm making my taxes digital with QuickBooks.
See the before and after the product, right?
Botox ohne Spritze? Das geht. Hi, ich bin Laura und ich bin ein recht.
So you can test out this before and after also. Add creative ideas that I want to share with you and test out those things. So to summarize all this in one simple line, go to campaign, create a separate ads sets of tests that you want to create a test. If you want to test carousel, create 3 variation of carousel with products of similar type. Test out the different ad copies, catalog info, right? If you want to test out the videos, create 3 variation of single product in this ad set, keeping it very simple and see what is working, and give it at least 4 to 5 days. Don't jump to the conclusion. Minimum 4 to 5 days. People make quick decision and then they think that why this ad is not working, because you have not given them enough data to see whether it's working or not. Keep on scaling something. If you found something winner, keep on scaling it. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Keeping it very very simple, keeping it to that point where you know which ad, which hook is working, which type of video is working, whether it's unboxing or something similar to that. This will help you into scaling also, not just by increasing the budget but also creating a different type of ad that will create an audience around that. So this will also help in scaling. Thank you.